Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to restore a QuickBooks backup. First, locate your backup file, which typically has a QBB extension. Open QuickBooks Desktop and navigate to the File menu. Select Open or Restore Company to begin the process. Choose Restore a Backup Copy and then Local Backup to proceed. This ensures you're working with a secure, saved version of your data. After selecting Local Backup, click Next and browse to the location where your QBB backup file is saved. Select the file and click Open. QuickBooks will then ask you where to save the restored company file. It's crucial to choose a new, secure location, perhaps a dedicated folder, to avoid overwriting existing data. Confirm your choice and let QuickBooks complete the restoration. Sometimes, you might encounter issues during restoration. If the backup file seems corrupted, try restoring an older backup copy. Always ensure your computer has at least 2 GB of free disk space for the restored file. Also, make sure your QuickBooks Desktop is updated to the latest release. This can resolve many common errors and ensure compatibility with your backup file. To prevent future data loss, establish a consistent backup schedule. Back up your company file daily or weekly, depending on your transaction volume. Store these backups in multiple secure locations, such as an external hard drive and a cloud service, for maximum protection. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Investing in quality tools and practices saves time and stress in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.